Pocket Financial Courses for Non-Financials. What is Rule 72 about? Rule 72 used as a technique quickly to find how long should it take for my investment to double. First of all, let's understand couple of terms. The money we put in the bank, 401k, IRA, or any other business expecting to make additional benefit is called investment. We put $100 in 401k looking for additional dollars. We invest $100 in 401k. What is so-called expecting to make additional money? We are going to call it as interest. We invest our $100 in 401k looking for interest. Good. It is worth to know how big is the interest comparing with investment. We divide the interest to investment. The number that we get is rate of return. Rate of return is the interest that bank or any business is going to pay you as addition for each $100 invested in. Clear? Great. Remember, when you do investment you expect to get back your initial investment plus interest. So, our question is how long it will take for my interest to be equal to my invested money. Or, simply saying, if I put my $100 in the bank, how long it will take for them to double. Here is the formula: future value, FV, equals to present value, PV, compounded by the interest, R, for the period of investment, T. By doing maths we get the result. Well, you can read the formula. What if I am not a financial specialist? Also, I hate maths. It is too complicated for me. How should I solve this formula? Excellent question. By the way, as you know, the banking system was invented far before the elements of this formula. What did they do? How they could make calculations of such complicated math? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Mr. Sene Luca Bartolomeo da Pacioli, c. 1447–1517, an Italian mathematician. This great man was collaborator with Leonardo da Vinci, and a seminal contributor to the field now known as accounting. Actually, he is referred to as the father of accounting and bookkeeping, and he was the first person to publish a work on the double-entry system of bookkeeping. In his Summa de Arithmetica, Venice, 1494, Fol 181, and 44, Luca Pacioli says, in wanting to know of any capital, at a given yearly percentage, in how many years it will double adding the interest to the capital, keep as a rule the number 72 in mind, which you will always divide by the interest, and what results, in that many years it will be doubled. Example, when the interest is 6% per year, I say that 1 divides 72 by 6, 12 results, and in 12 years the capital will be doubled. In other words, here is simple formula for you. Divide 72 by the number of rate of return and you get the number of years it needed for your initial investment to duplicate itself. The rule of 72 is a simplified way to determine how long an investment will take to double, given a fixed annual rate of interest. The beauty is that 72 can be simply divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, and 36. Don't tell me that you cannot do that. However, you should remember, the rule of 72 is a simplified way to get a rough estimate. If you want to know exact number, ask professionals to assist you.
Rise.